That is what day 14 is all about.
This is one of the best waterfall walk experiences we've done so far in this beautiful country.
If you want to know where this place is, stay tuned because you can't miss it. Very good sunny morning to all.
We're at the Groppensteinschlucht. We just got a ticket, we've got a little map as well. There's maps everywhere, looks like it's well signposted. It was €9 each. And it looks like plenty of parking, there's no one here.
Looks like a circular route, so should be fairly easy to follow.
I was too busy looking at the face, totally missed that. It's the Malnit back stream.
Nice sunny weather.
Isn't it lovely this morning?
Your typical climb to a steep.
Lots of steps already. We need the tea, don't we?
It's that time again. Big waterfall, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, that is massive. That's amazing.
Very cool waterfall.
This is a very, very cool one, isn't it? It's probably one of the biggest ones we've seen up close so far in Austria. This is our bench.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's a good view from the last bench.
Yeah. Look at this. You get even closer to it.
Wow. Look at that.
That's so cool.
So close.
Yeah.
You can really feel the force and the spray. Wow.
It's amazing from here as well.
We're right under another waterfall.
From heaven.
Yeah. There's divine energy.
You're right.
Divine energy coming off this waterfall.
That's what it feels like, doesn't it?
It's just as good up here. You see the spray
Oh wow.
going out into the river.
Oh my gosh. Looks like we're coming out into the sun again. All the different walks we go on, I keep thinking, this is the best. It cannot be beaten. And then we go on another one, and I'm like, no, this is the best. We're out into the sun. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Those waters there, so clear.
It's like diamonds, isn't it?
Yeah. Smooth as silk right across the rock.
One of these walks is so different. It keeps blowing our minds every time. How it's been laid out and all the different things you see along the way, different scenery.
Yeah, all the boardwalks have been laid out really well.
Yeah.
Incredible design, but all very different. So they're definitely all worth checking out.
Yeah. Just following the path along the river, really, aren't we? And carries on round.
This is a very cool hike indeed.
Oh my goodness, it doesn't get any worse. Let's put it that way. Look at that. Oh wow, it's a massive waterfall around the corner. Oh wow.
Wow, that's some steep steps.
Yeah. Oh.
But you always get rewarded on this boardwalk trail.
Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? I am thankful for whoever designed these amazing routes, boardwalks, the little steps, the rails, the wires to hold on to. Wow. €9 well spent coming here to maintain all this. You get to experience all this beauty.
Every single one we've been to on these trails in Austria have been all worth the money every time.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You get different experience every time. You're guaranteed nature, waterfalls, caves, gorges, just all the good stuff.
Off the boardwalk trail now.
Oh.
Into the forest.
Oh.
Oh, what an amazing boardwalk.
That was lovely. Austria, keep getting better.
And now we have the nice little stepping stones to walk across.
That mountain view is incredible.
So I think this is the difference with the Austrian boardwalk. So you get the boardwalk through the gorge, you get the lovely twisting, turning trail, and then you come out on top and have the snow-capped mountain view, the absolute iconic alpine scene.
Very similar to a Waterfall. We got to the top and that beautiful mountain there. Austria's next level stuff.
Look at that.
Wow.
There is so much stunning countryside.
Unbelievable trails you can take.
Yeah. I think we're on our way back down now to the start. Look at this view at the end. Oh my goodness.
What a view. Just the landscape just continues to blow my mind.
Yeah.
It's amazing. We're so hungry. We need our lunch. We're way overdue today. So we're sat on a rock at the side of a little road. But it's one of the most spectacular views I've ever seen.
Yeah. What about this for a lunch spot?
What about this? Look at that. Just when you think, oh, the car park's there, this looks like the end, we are continuing to go down this mountaintop in this really narrow trail, really downhill, very stony, rooty sort of path.
Yeah, all just rocks and roots now, isn't it?
So it's anyone's guess how long we'll be to get to the car.
And my knees have gone all jelly.
Looks like we're in the right area. Once you do the puffin shot, pretty much that way you started.
Oh, I think this is the bridge, isn't it?
So we go over this bridge and we complete the Groppensteinschlucht trail.
Wow. We're back at the beginning where we bought our tickets.
118.
118, still spaces.
So 4 hours later, we complete this epic trail.
We're completely in love with southern Austria, I think that's a fact. And if you've enjoyed this video as much as we have loved making it, give us a like and hit the subscribe button.
And we'll see you in the next one.
At Lunch and Travel. Subscribe for more. more incredible views. And pet lunches.
More sandwiches, more views.